In today's video, I am going to show you how top affiliates earn 6- and 7-figure incomes using a simple affiliate marketing sales funnel. So you're not going to want to miss this video. So stay tuned. Hi, it's Steve from itmakessenseblog.com, and this is part 2 of a video series that I'm putting together. The first video, if you missed it, I'll leave a link up above. It was affiliate marketing for beginners, but let's just go over really quick what affiliate marketing is and what we talked about in that video. So, affiliate marketing is where you promote products, and if people buy those products, you earn a commission. Now, how do we do this? Well, let's say you have a YouTube channel, or you have a blog, or you have a podcast, or you have a Facebook group. Now there's other forms of content that you can create to promote affiliate offers. Now what you do is you drive traffic to these different pieces of content, and in this content you talk about a product, and in this case let's use ClickFunnels for our example. So you recommend ClickFunnels. If people click on the affiliate links that you have in this content and they go to ClickFunnels and they buy ClickFunnels, or they buy a product of ClickFunnels, or they become a member of ClickFunnels, then you earn a commission. Now this is the simple model that we discussed in the first video, and this is how most affiliate marketers do it, and most beginner affiliate marketers do it, and this is fine. You'll earn some income, but you're not going to get to the same level as the gurus. You're not going to get to that 6- or 7-figure a year income. And let me show you why this model doesn't necessarily work, or why it's not the best. So number one, let's use a YouTube video as an example. So let's say I'm talking about ClickFunnels in this video, and then I send someone directly to ClickFunnels, and in ClickFunnels, Russell Brunson is talking about ClickFunnels. Now, if someone doesn't know ClickFunnels, they haven't heard of Russell Brunson, and they've gone from me, and all of a sudden now they've hear from Russell Brunson, they might get confused. How was I just on Steve's YouTube video and now I'm on Russell Brunson's YouTube video? You haven't bridged that gap between my video, or I haven't bridged that gap between my video and Russell Brunson. So that's the first problem. The second problem is people rarely buy on the first encounter. So someone can come, let's say, to my blog post about ClickFunnels, read it, go to ClickFunnels, not purchase, and they might not ever come back to my blog post. I might not ever see that lead again. So I have no way to follow up with someone about ClickFunnels. So that's problem number 2. And problem number 3 is you aren't creating your number 1 asset in affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you what that is coming up. So now let me show you what the top earners use, and that is a sales funnel. So we have our content, we have our traffic, but instead of driving people from our content to the product, we're going to first send them to an opt-in page. And this is where someone is going to give us their email address. Now, we typically give them something in exchange for that email address. So we give them like a free PDF or an ebook or some type of training, whatever it is. You want to give them something in order to get that email address. And I'm going to show you why that's important in a second. Now from this opt-in page, you're going to send them to a bridge page. And on this bridge page, either you're going to have a video, or you're going to have words, or you're going to have both. Now, the purpose of the bridge page is in this in the video or in the words, talk about yourself. And what you're doing now, remember we talked about before, we didn't bridge that gap between you and the product, that's what you're doing in this video. So for instance, if I'm using ClickFunnels and I'm talking about a video, they come over here, I might have a video saying, hey, I know you were just on my YouTube video. Thank you for coming in and thank you for opting in to and receiving whatever I gave you for the email address. Now I'm gonna take you over to ClickFunnels. Russell Brunson's gonna talk to you and he's gonna tell you all about ClickFunnels. So what I've done is I've bridged that gap between me and ClickFunnels, and now I'm also involved in the sales process. I can also talk more about ClickFunnels and what to expect. What can you expect when you go over to ClickFunnels? So you can pre-frame them so they are, turn them maybe from warm or cold traffic into hot traffic. And then obviously from this bridge page, you're gonna send them to the actual product itself. So that is the basic funnel. Now there's one more and crucial step to this. And that is, once someone gave you their email address, you now have them as a contact, you have them as a potential customer where you can send them emails that you set up in your email autoresponder. So these emails can serve multiple purposes. One is you can tell them more about you. You can build that trust, build that relationship, because like I said, most people don't buy from people they don't know or trust. And that's what you can do in this email. You can provide value, you can tell them about yourself, you can tell them, ask them questions so you know what kind of content to create. There's so much you can do with this email, with their email address. The other thing you can do is through these emails, you can point them back to the product. So I can talk about ClickFunnels and keep pointing them back to ClickFunnels. Now, like I said before, usually it takes more than one encounter for someone to buy a product. Well, here's my multiple touch points. I can send up to 10 emails talking about ClickFunnels, selling ClickFunnels. And eventually, if they're interested, they might buy. Let's say they're not interested in ClickFunnels and they might be interested in another product I promote, which is, let's say, ActiveCampaign, or I have a course, or I have another product, whatever that is, that they might be interested in. I can sell them or direct them to these different products. So as you can see, your email list is your number one asset. It is something that you need to start building now if you want to reach the 6 or 7 figure income. And the reason for this is because they say that for every email subscriber you have in your database, you can roughly, conservatively estimate $1 per lead. So if you have 10,000 customers, you can expect around $10,000 per month. And now that is just a generalization, that is an estimation. Obviously, results depend on, you know, your email campaigns, your copywriting, et cetera, et cetera. Now, another reason why email is so important and why building your email list is so important, let's say your YouTube channel gets banned for whatever reason. Well, now you've cut off that supply of traffic to whoever's seeing your content and hopefully buying your product. Or let's say Google changes their algorithm and all of your SEO efforts are in vain and no longer work. Well, now you've cut off that supply. Let's say Facebook changes, which they've already done, ad costs, or just changes their rules. Well, now you've cut off all these different supplies of leads to your products, but you still own your email list. You still own this database. Now you might lose access to your email autoresponder. Either something happens, they go out of business, or you get banned. However, you still own the database. So you can take your database and move it from email autoresponder to email autoresponder. So hopefully you can see why, like I said, this is your number one asset, and this is why you want to have this simple affiliate marketing sales funnel to exponentially grow your business. Now let's go over to the computer and I want to show you how this works. All right, so I'm in my blog and I have a review for a ClickBank product called Total Money Magnetism. Now, if I scroll down here, if I click on this image, instead of taking me to the actual product page, I click on it, it's going to take me to the opt-in page. So if I enter my name and enter my email address, now it's send me to the bridge page. Now I don't have a video uploaded right now, but this is where I would put a video of me talking about what to expect next. Now this is a little bit written, talks about what to explain next. If I click on this, it takes me to the sales page. Let me delete or mute that. So now if I go to my email, I should receive the free ebook that I gave someone if they gave me their email address. So that usually takes a second or two, so I'll come over to my email, and I don't have it yet, so I'll wait. But while I'm waiting, I want to show you and go over to my ActiveCampaign. This is my email autoresponder, and let's go to the automations. This is the automation, and you can see that the email is on its way because I subscribed to a list, and it's sending me the first email in the series, and I'm waiting for the second email, which I am waiting for a day. Now in video number 3 of this series, I'm going to show you how to create all of this, to create this affiliate marketing funnel using ClickFunnels and ActiveCampaign. But that'll be in video 3. I will actually show you how to build this, and at the end of the video I'll show you how you can get a copy of this funnel for your own use in your own affiliate products. Alright, so if I go to my email inbox, I have the email here, and if I click on this link, it should take me to the freebie that I offered, the free book that I offered for the email address, and it does. So that is how a simple affiliate marketing sales funnel works. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below and I will answer. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, as I put out content all of the time regarding affiliate marketing, sales funnels, how to build an online business. And I'm also going to leave a link down below if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing. If you're interested in creating an online business, then I recommend this course, and I'll leave a link down below for that. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Hey everyone. I don't want to say that way. Okay. All right. Hi, it's Steve from